Thank you for buying this 19045 locker from Fixture Displays. There are total 7 slots, 6 small, 1 big, and come with a card slot. We also supply the cards. Listing is in the description. This locker uses 4 digits combination locks, therefore require no individual keys, except the administrator does get a general key that opens all and also doubles as a key finder. The detailed dimensions are provided earlier. It's also in your product listing details. So is the lock that you can purchase separately. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.